Guys, the soup is ready.
Soup is ready.
Majestic soup.
Majestic soup.
Yeah.
Is it better than the one I'll be cooking for you people?
Probably.
Probably. Your soup will be. Although it look good, Sha. It look good. Anyway, after eating it, then I will not give you the results. Okay? I will rate you. You are not the one to rate yourself. Hey guys, guess who is cooking for the family today? The first fruit of my womb, my pride, is cooking for us to eat today, and is preparing pumpkin seed. That is egusi as well. Okay, it's cooking egusi soup for the family to eat. He actually did a voice record on this video, but there was a lot of noise on the background, so I have to silence it and do voice over on it. So guys, as I was saying, my son was the one making soup for us to eat better pounded yam. And he cooked very, very good, you know. This egusi soup, it really came out very, very, very nice. Yummy. Everybody ate and we were all satisfied. He's really improving, you know, in cooking. He's improving. Yes. Guys, who say cooking is only meant for female children? Of course not. If you have a son, please teach them how to cook. Gradually, gradually, they will be learning. My son is not perfect yet, but he's trying. You understand? So they say practice make perfect. Of course, he will be perfect some days. Future daughter-in-law is going to really enjoy it. And that is what we pray for. I don't want to be mother-in-law where a daughter-in-law go, they say, your mama not even train you well. Your mama do the mama. At least as me, I dey praise my mother-in-law where my husband dey. Make somebody too go dey pray for me, dey praise me when my time reach. Abi o.
Mommy, where's the food? We want
Food is coming. Look at the parade there. Food is coming. Oi, 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 oi. Food is coming. Guys, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. This is the soup. The father of the house cook. Yeah. Wow. Oi.
The soup is not good to reach.
Oi, wait. Oi. This is really
Hot?
mm.
Or is it very good?
Nah. It tastes really good, guys. Look at food.
Can we put the
Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Wow, this is delicious. Right?
I'm looking at you, Chimanda.
Chimamanda did a great job, right? Oi, 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 oi. Did a great job. Ooh. Oi. It's very hot. Look at this giant. No problem.
No problem.
Giant ishaki. Ooh. Anyway. Come on, donuts, guys.
Yep. Very good.
I see here.